Hello friends, welcome to the next video of Classes Jaipur. We are going to study uh, a bit about articles in French. Articles, as you know, in English are of two kinds: definite article, the, and indefinite article, a or an. In French, we can study four kinds of articles. First, the same definite article, the. In French, the has masculine or feminine or plural forms. Then there is indefinite article, of course. It also has three forms: un, une, and des, des. Third kind of articles is article partitive, that is to say, which denote part of, not entire thing, but part of that, part of the noun. Okay, so that is called article partitive. We will study these with the help of a chart now. And fourth kind of articles is article contracté. These articles, for example, the, the, which is represented by le, le for masculine, la for feminine, and les for plural nouns, they are contracted with prepositional words. Let's see now with the help of examples. Here we can see the singular form and the plural form. Article défini, le voisin, la voisine. Singular is the neighbor, and if that neighbor is feminine, we will say la voisine. This also means the neighbor, singular, but feminine. Le voisin, masculine. La voisine, feminine. If this article is followed with a noun beginning with vowel sound, then it loses its E or its A, and we put an apostrophe. For example, l'étudiant, student; l'étudiante, female student. Okay. Definite articles are used more or less the same way we use them in English. So there are exceptions, of course. In the course of study, you will notice that there are exceptions where we use article in French, but we do not use article before the noun in English. For example, before the countries, we never say the India, but or the France. But in French, we say la France, l'Inde. So we put articles before the names of countries, generally while using French, but we do not use the article before countries in English. So there are, of course, exceptions, or you may say differences in the usage. Okay, so this article défini has plural form also, which is les for all the nouns, be it masculine or feminine or beginning with vowel sound. Okay. For example, les voisins, the neighbors, les voisines, the neighbors, feminine, les étudiants, masculine students, les étudiantes, female students. Second type of articles is article indéfini, which is equivalent to a or an, o or an, un voisin, a neighbor, une voisine, a neighbor, female neighbor. And this un and une in plural form becomes des. Des voisins, des voisines. You can say, broadly speaking, it means some, but not exactly, but broadly you can say that it can be equated to some neighbors, masculine, some neighbors, feminine. Next kind of articles is article partitive. Now this article shows or it indicates or it gives an idea of some quantity, not in entirety, but in partitive, in part of that noun. For example, du sucre. Du means small quantity of. De la farine. It means flour, which we say in Hindi, we say atta, the flour. De la farine. De l'argent, some money. Argent is silver, or argent is also money. So l'argent, de l'argent, some money. De l'eau, eau means water. De l'eau means some water. Des céréales, in plural form, du, which is placed before masculine noun. For example, sucre is masculine, du. De la farine. So farine or flour is feminine. Therefore, de la. And in plural, des. Des céréales, it means some cereals to eat. Okay. What happens here is when we use du, it indicates that it is masculine noun. Sucre is masculine, sugar. And it was the, le for masculine noun. For example, le voisin, we have already studied. So it was de le, but we do not write it de le, we make it to du. Okay, these two combined together, the plus masculine article, the le, it becomes du. We never write it de le. It is combined together to form a new word, du. But before feminine nouns, we do not combine these two. Remember, we do not combine these two. These are written separately. De, la, Farid. And the nouns beginning with a vowel sound, de l'argent. Here also, we do not combine together, but we remove the E or A of l'argent. It becomes like this, de l'argent, de l'eau, same principle, de l'eau. O is also beginning with vowel sound. Therefore, de l'eau. It means some water. And for all the plurals, it becomes they. Some cereals. Fourth kind of articles is article contracté. It is the article the with the prepositional words, preposition words. For example, le train du matin, the train of the morning. So where we get du from? Du is also composed of two words, the and le. Le is masculine article. The le becomes du. We never use the le matin. We have to combine this together before masculine nouns. We have to say du matin. Matin means morning, which is a masculine noun. Au premier étage, at first étage, floor, at the first floor. Au premier étage. So where this O comes from? It comes from these two words. A means at, prepositional word at. It is represented by a with accent grave, masculine article before the masculine noun, of course. Then it becomes O. We have to combine these together. So these are called article contracté. They get contracted when the article is used with the prepositional word. They get combined, contracted. Le train des vacances. In plural side, also the means of, les means the. It is of the. Again, two words, the and les. Les for plural, the. English the with plural nouns is les, and les combined with the becomes they. So this day and this day, the earlier called they, were different from this day. Okay, so you can see this day is composed of two words. Similarly, o. A means to the. Again, two words are combined together to make O, O-U-X. Au toilette, to the toilets, to the toilets. See, there are two words which have been combined together to make O, au toilette. Hope you have understood this. With this, we end this video. Thank you very much for watching, and please do like and subscribe to the channel.